Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to have everyone back on this channel again. I remain your person, Olotu Okoyemi. And if you're coming here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get all of this information as it drops. And I want to also tell you that there are several jobs opportunity currently both for people in UK and people outside the UK with visa sponsorship. So please, for you to get all of these alerts, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so you can always get all this information firsthand. Now I'm just going straight to this international social worker, which is attached to a sponsorship. So this opportunity is at Huntingdon, Huntingdon, United Kingdom. That's Cambridgeshire, and this opportunity has several benefits attached to it. It's actually one of its kind. Yeah. So yeah, they are flexible and creative working arrangements. They are flexible all bank holidays, a comprehensive well-being package, accounts rewards, employee discount, a comprehensive pension scheme, ideal staff equality, diversity, and inclusion network. Calm web, our staff intranet helping you to keep you informed. An employee recognition scheme, we offer a generous mileage allowance. Awesome mileage allowance. Now, let me go forward to say that generous annual leave provision, that's 28 days, a supportive management team that will champion your learning and development. Employee assistance program, access to free support 24 hours a day, scalable retention, and many more. Now, it says scalable retention payment to loyal social workers in specific teams after the first full year of employment, starting from £900, which increases during the first 3 years of service, plus 6 days of protection time each year to enable a social worker to maintain their continuous professional development. Okay, so now for international social care worker, this is the offer. Number one, a relocation allowance of up to £8,000 to support your movement to Cambridgeshire, including your visa application and associated fees, flight, and temporary accommodation. Items to help you get settled, and you will be able to claim back your Social Work England registration application fee. This is huge, guys. Please be aware you will need to have the funds to cover all elements of your relocation, which you will be able to claim back once you arrive in Cambridgeshire. Two, there's a certificate of sponsorship which will take you up to applying for indefinite leave to remain. Awesome. A loan of up to £2,000 for the deposit to secure long-term accommodation in Cambridgeshire. Ongoing support through our Cambridgeshire Academy for Reaching Excellence, which will help you to settle in and nurture you throughout your career with us. This is an amazing opportunity, guys. I don't want anybody to miss this. Now, about the role, you can read all of this information on this page. You can read all of this on this page. Okay, so I'm gonna just check for what will you be doing. Okay, so you'll be doing the day-to-day responsibility of a social care worker, that is act as a lead professional and ensure all matters in respect of safeguarding are dealt with promptly, effectively, and in line with child protection procedures, escalating where necessary. All of these, please just check and read through them. So you must be a qualified social care with an honor degree or diploma in social work or qualification in social work recognized by the Social Work England. You have a minimum of 3 years post-qualifying experience working with children and families. Either in your home country or you're in UK or whatever you are, you can have all of this. You can have a 3-year post-qualifying information, post-qualifying experience while working with children and families. Have a social care England registration before applying. Have a full valid driver license that will allow you to drive in the UK. There will be an expectation that you convert your driving license to UK license if successful. Now, guys, let me just do a little clarification here. Number one, this opportunity is for both for people in UK and for those who are outside of the UK. Now, if you're in UK, of course, all of these benefits also, is applicable to you. For those who are outside UK, now, for some of the degrees or some of the qualifications here, you can get them virtually. That's one. Secondly, if you apply for this position, I can tell you that your CV, if well packaged, can get you this job, even without some of this qualification. As long as you are in the medical field, you have the understanding of all of these things that you need to acquire, you can definitely benefit from all of these things. I don't want you to feel down with one or two qualifications in here. You can have all of these. Have a minimum of 3 years post qualifying experience working with children and families. It is a social care role, not a nursing role. So you need to understand that it is little or I know they wrote it here a minimum of 3 years post qualifying experience, but really it's not for nurses. So you don't need the deep understanding or deep medical stuffs like you might think of. So this is actually a good one for anyone watching this. This is social care, not for a doctor, not for a nurse. So you can be part of this. Just apply for this job clicking on this link. And I know this job is gonna be when is it expiring? Oh, this does not, the expiring date is not here, so I believe it's still open. If it expires, it will be rating, so you don't have a problem with applying for this job. So guys, I want to encourage you. This is so much a relocation allowance, a COS attached to this, and loan up to £2,000. Don't miss and don't sleep on this opportunity. Click on this now and apply. Check the check the description page for the application link. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you very much, guys, and I'm going to see you later. Bye.